Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plugtv Live. On the Gist, comedian Woli Agba finally opens up on collecting money on visit to Vice President Osinbajo. Let's check out what he wrote in defense of his visit. Nigerian comedian Woli, popularly known as Woli Agba, has reacted to speculations that he and his colleagues collected money from the recent visit to the Vice President Osinbajo at the Aso Villa. Woli Agba and his colleagues were attacked over the recent visit to Vice President, noting that they are all fighting for their interest. Reacting to the criticism, Woli Agba said one of the problems of Nigerians is that they conclude at every slightest opportunity after seeing the numerous pictures they took. Woli Agba said that people should stop thinking like programmed robots and desist from cooking up stories about who is not present at the meeting. After mercilessly being dragged on social media, Woli Agba in an Instagram post said he did not collect a dime on the trip, and the motive behind the visit has nothing to do with a brown envelope, as he didn't receive any. Woli Agba said that the purpose of the visit was the Skit Makers Award, but they seized the opportunity to present the youth grievances and hope for positive change from the government. The comedian said the term programmed robot was a misconception and apologized for using the word, adding that he is a member of the Sorosoke generation and unwilling to be manipulated for what the youth stand for. He wrote on his Instagram, direct answers to ongoing issues. 1. I did not collect a dime on this trip. 2. The motive behind my visit to the villa has nothing to do with an envelope and none was received by me. Though the reason for our visit to the villa was for NSIA, yet we seized the opportunity to first present the grievances of we the youth, police brutality, Twitter ban, amongst others, while we hope for positive change from the government. The clause programmed robot in one of my comments was a misconception and I sincerely apologize for that. I am a youth and a member of the Sorosoke generation. I am unwilling to be manipulated against what we all stand for. I preach good values, morals, respect and integrity evident in my works. Sorosoke generation, we move. I love you all. Well, only time will tell if this explanation from Woli Agba will make any of this drag go away. Let's know what you think about this in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plugtv Live before you go.